Hey, what's up, fellow educators? It's Mr. Lara here with you, and in today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of effective teaching. So you ready for this? Let's go! All right, first things first, we're going to start by talking about integrating high-order thinking in our lessons. So how do we do this? Let me remind you about this super cool method you probably heard about while you were studying to become a teacher called inquiry-based learning. Research shows that inquiry-based learning leads to improved student achievement and motivation. Inquiry-based learning is all about empowering students to take charge of their own learning. By asking questions, investigating, and discovering information on their own, students develop critical thinking, problem solving, and develop research skills that will help them well in all areas of their lives. Whether it's in science, social studies, or the arts, inquiry-based learning encourages students to explore, experiment, and create. So let's give our students the tools they need to become active learners and watch them thrive. But being independent learners isn't enough. That is why it's also important to group students by ability and provide them with instruction at their level. Research shows that differentiated instruction can lead to improved student performance, and grouping students by ability will help them take ownership of their goals, and it boosts accountability. So it's a win-win situation, right? But hold up, encouraging learning ownership isn't the end of the story. We got to push your students to strive for better academic achievements. And how do we do that? Goals. Setting goals and reflecting on progress gives students a reality check on the effort they need to reach their expectations. Goal setting has been shown to improve academic performance and motivation. Now let's talk about the MVP of effective learning, engagement. Engagement is the key to high-order thinking and achievement. Research indicates that student engagement is positively correlated with academic achievement and student well-being. If your lessons are boring, nobody's going to learn anything. You got to spice things up with exciting activities, resources, technology, and materials that meet the standards. That's how you make lessons awesome for your students. Research suggests that engaging activities can improve memory retention and overall learning. So how can you create amazing activities? First, you got to know your students' interests, motivations, and learning styles. Gather that info through surveys or discussions. Next, set some goals for the activities and then plan and design them to be relevant and meaningful. You want to make it even more interactive? Use technology. Studies have shown that technology-enhanced learning can lead to better student outcomes. There are tons of online tools and resources that you can use to play games, create multimedia, presentations, and take quizzes. Another super effective way to plan engaging activities is through collaboration and group work. When students work together, they share ideas, learn from each other, and boost their teamwork and communication skills. Research supports that collaborative learning can improve student achievement and critical thinking skills. And don't forget about hands-on learning. Hands-on learning has been proven to enhance students' understanding and retention of knowledge. Design activities with experiments, projects, or enriching activities to get students actively involved. They'll remember what they've learned, and they'll have a blast doing it. So there you have it, guys. Use these strategies backed by solid research, and you'll be designing engaging activities that promote effective learning like a pro. Let's make learning awesome and give our students the best education experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time.